Today I wanted to give a more detailed tutorial on my favorite way of creating a kind of retro 1940s look. This is something that I just sort of came up with, and I really like how it blends my favorite coronet style and makes it more retro-y with a snood. So I start by doing the braid for a coronet, but I am not going to braid all the way down. I'm just braiding enough to get around my head one time. So this is for people with very long hair, if you couldn't tell. So I'm going to pancake the bottom of this braid a little bit, testing almost a few more, because the higher up it is, the thicker my hair is, there's more damage and breakage, and so it gets thinner as it gets longer. So I'm going to pancake it out to try to make it a little more even, and then wrap it, leaving that loose hair at the bottom. That is too far. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put a spin pin in there to hold it in place while I get the rest of the setup here. Okay, now this is my, first I'm putting in more spin pins to keep the braid from sliding off my head while I'm doing this. Forgot about that part. One more. Okay, so this is my snood. I actually made this one myself. You can get like hairnet style things at like drugstores, but I'm probably going to start maybe making and selling these on my website, so you can take a look there if you're interested. I'll probably make them in different styles and colors, but it's a small one. You don't have to fill all your hair, because this is basically just, I might call it a half snood. So I'm putting a spin pin on each side into the braid. I have to make sure that it's actually catching some of the thread of the snood. Obviously, that's what's holding it in place. And then I like to put a flexi across there. You don't have to put any kind of clip or flexi, but I feel like it gives it like a little bit more polish. It kind of makes it look more finished. And of course I have my maple leaf flexi that matches my maple leaf dress. And I'm just adding a couple more bobby pins in a few places, and then it will be all done. And I think you can see why I love this one.